problem here is asking about the reactivity of Na and potassium. If we look at the periodic table, sodium and potassium are both alkali metals, which means that they're in the same group, and as we go down within the family, the further down we go, the more reactive it becomes. So if you look, sodium is on top of potassium, making potassium more reactive. So the potassium will have an easier time of releasing its electron to bond with a chlorine. Part 2, we're looking at oxidation, and we have bromine and iodide ions. So we could assume that they're maybe in a compound. Iodine is lower than bromine in the halogen family, which means that the iodide should be more easily oxidized and the bromine because it's less tightly held than the bromine. And that's going to be because the iodine has electrons in further out energy levels, higher energy levels, which means it's not as tightly held to the nucleus. Finally, part 3, the conductivity of magnesium compared to sulfur. So I want to find those on the periodic table. They are not in the same family. They're in two completely different families. Magnesium is a metal, sulfur is a non-metal. Metals we know are good. Sulfur, on the other hand, is a non-metal, so it's a non-conductor, and its electrons are covalently bonded, which means it is not